Good morning. I wanted to make a quick video about my pasta salad I do for all family events. So really quickly, I just wanted to show you the ingredients. Some scallions, some Mrs. Dash Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, black olives already sliced, a medley of tomatoes. I cut them in half. Cucumbers, I dice them in cubes. This dish is really depending on how many people you want to feed. Um, it's a really quick and easy dish to make. I bought some Rotel, rotini colored pasta. And so I did one box already. I boiled it for 10 minutes. I sprinkled the salt and pepper in, the seasonings. I chopped up the onions already, put them in. I'm going to go ahead and dice these tomatoes and cucumbers and put those in. Sometimes I add in broccoli chunks. I cut up the heads of broccoli just for color. But this is a really delicious um, dish. Oh, and I forgot to say, I use the zesty Italian dressing to blend in. So I've already used one bottle and it looks nice and moist. So really chopping everything up, mixing it up, putting it in the fridge for about an hour before your guests arrive, and it is so delicious. Happy Thanksgiving. So this is my pasta salad. It's a cold salad. It looks so good. The cucumbers, the cherry tomatoes, the different colors, the black olives, the, um, the green onions. It's a really good dish, really refreshing, and I make it for all of our family events, dinners, parties, etc. So I'm happy to be making it this year for Thanksgiving.